Alright, so I'm going to be showing you a few apps to get deliveries, grocery deliveries to your house. The first one is Walmart Groceries. It's a subscription-based app. Only for $10 a month, you can have a limited amounts of deliveries. They have departments over here where they break down all the stuff they have, like savings, spotlights. So here they have some soup on sale. You can add cleaning supplies. And because of the pandemic, they're limiting how many you can buy to 2 for now. And they have electronics, all kinds of stuff that you can buy, and this get delivered to your door. What other stuff we have here? So they're breaking it to fruits and vegetables. A very well clean UI and setup, so you can find the stuff that you want. I'll get some bananas over here. One thing that we recommend, you can buy things in bulk over here, so you can get more than 1 or 2 items. Let's see, like these oranges over here. They also have salad. Alright, so we have here fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, organic food. Let's get some onions and tomatoes. A wide variety of things you can get from here. They have meats and seafood, beef. Let's get this one over here. Some items are out of stock because today, Sunday, it's at 5 p.m. So most of the people are stocking up. But during the regular days of the week, I think you will find more stuff than Sunday. They have some shrimp over here. And let's look at the eggs and dairy. You can have information, you can double tap and see the pictures of the nutrition facts. I also have this tab over here that shows you in a big text all the information that's the food have. For example, if you want to buy a milk and you want to make sure it doesn't have too much fat or too much sodium, you can check over here and you get the information that you need. Alright, once done, I think we can go and look for some pantries. Let's get some coffee over here. Alright, so let's check out and we can pick the delivery and the day and the time we want it, between 2 and 3 p.m. And we can order. Somebody's gonna go out and pick up all the stuff we want and get it delivered to your house. This is a really cool app, and there's an alternative one. It's Instacart. It has a lot more stores that they work with. They have Aldi's, Costco, CVS, Petco, and they contract people to go and pick up things for you and get it delivered to your house. So it's a good alternative to the Walmart app. I like it very much, and I suggest that you guys tip these contractors once they go and it gets the food for you, because they're risking it and they're trying to have a really good income. So it will always help to tip them. Hope you guys like this video, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the description. Likes and subscribe, it will help as well. Thank you very much, and bye.